sweet, sweet. B for ball, dance on your feet. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, loves to call. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims all day long. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, looking so keen. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly, wobbles in my tummy.